Chairman ke Meghalaya State Planning Board ke Sorkar Jylla Bah Metbah lingdo uloong. Baka board hi karnya keren sani Board Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Meghalaya ukon rot ke sangma halor jing trai kam jongka ringkat ke jing temu ban pentulun jana yaki kam ke Sorkar. Haba keren sikilat pathai kubor hadin ke jing elang bandingkong jong ke board hakal lai trek uyayong arja arpulai Bah Metbah ubadeiru ulampang barim ke ying dorba thawan ke Jylla uloong. Baka board hi kan ayu synñiang banyatei ya ke Jylla.
Well, today basically we had called the first board meeting, which is basically introductory kind of meeting for the new members of the board. But what we understand as far as the notification the government are supposed to issue for other members also is yet to be done from the government side. So as of now, we have only 3 members and all are elected members. Myself being the chairman, Bah Sorkar, MLA from Meghalaya as the co-chairman of the board, and Mr. He is also the co-chairman of the board. So far, other like in the previous board, other official members also from government also will be there, the chief secretary, commission secretary, and so on. And other will be experts from different line will also be appointed, and which the planning department and in consultation with the chief minister and the board chairman will notify those expert members, about 4 or 5 members, to be members of this planning board. We are here not that just because we have been appointed as members or chairman of the board or members of the board. We are here to contribute to the welfare of the state. We are very committed, and I'm pleased to inform you that both the honorable members today who are the co-chairman of the board have, said that we are not here just to enjoy the perks and facilities of the government whom they've been appointed as the members of the board, but we are here to contribute, and we will ensure that we will do so in this year, being the first year, and because otherwise we will not have that joy for us to enjoy those perks and facilities from the government.
So can we expect a monthly recommendation or a quarterly recommendation from the planning board?
We will start maybe sometime again next week. We will have a review. We will meet the Honorable Chief Minister and discuss with him about the function of the board and how to make and to be more effective. We will suggest with him and discuss with him.